Today we'll be completely tearing this porch down and showing you guys just how to rebuild it. You can see how it's completely broken down. The cinders are exposed and they are broken down. We're going to take it down by hand, and we're going to do it very quickly because it's a very easy job, about an hour to tear it down. Now we rebuilt it entirely in block. We filled those block entirely solid. Now we're going to be using cultured stone as the facing of the porch. We start with the corners first. We stagger them. We do one corner one way and the other corner the other way, so we have half bond all throughout. Once the corners are run and they're the same size, we run in between. Now this is how we run this particular style of stone. It basically lays as though a brick or a tile would. If it was stacked stone, it would be laid differently and without joints. If it was a ledge stone, same thing. This is a Kentucky Blend D stone. Now to lay them, we wet the backs with water that has acrylic fortifier in it. We paint it on the back, and then we mud the back of the cultured stone, and then we stick it on. After this, we take a grout bag and we squeeze in the joints. You want the proper mix and texture. Same thing, acrylic fortifier in the mix. You don't want it wet. You want it a little on the stiffer side. And then you squeeze. You use water in the bag only initially. Then you put the cement in, and no more water until you're cleaning the bag out. You squeeze it in. You let the joints set up. Once they're set and take shape, you'll rake them out with your finger, the back of a brush. You'll then brush them out entirely to blend them. Next, it's time to lay our blue stone. For the blue stone, you want to carve it up a bit in the back, slurry mix it, and then lay it so that it will stick and adhere better. Blue stone always has a bit of trouble adhering properly, so you want to take extra measures with that. Next, we have to pour our concrete platform. We have our 3/4 clean bluestone bed in there. Then we have our 1/2-inch rebar expanding across the block. Then we pour our concrete. We mix it by hand because it's very small. We then magnesium float it out. We have our levels to both screed and check level and pitch when pitch running away from the house. We then hit it with a finish trowel to knock down any humps. We then float it out. We hit it with an edger and then rub out the edge and then finish float. And there's our finished job. Hope you guys liked following along. Thanks for watching.